Welcome. Today we are going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in statistics and probability: expected value. It is the mathematical way to predict the future average of an uncertain event. So, what exactly is expected value? In simple terms, it is the weighted average of all possible outcomes. Think of it as the long-run average. If you were to repeat an experiment, like a coin flip or a die roll, thousands of times, the average of all those results would equal the expected value. Here is the formula. It might look complex with the sigma symbol, but it is actually quite straightforward. You take each possible outcome, represented by x, and multiply it by the probability of that outcome happening, represented by p of x. Then, you simply add all those products together. Let's look at a classic example: rolling a standard six-sided die. We have 6 possible outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Since it is a fair die, the probability of rolling any specific number is exactly 1 in 6. So, what is the expected value of a single roll? Let's do the math. We multiply 1 by 1/6, 2 by 1/6, and so on, all the way up to 6. Since the probability is the same for all, we can factor it out. We add 1 through 6 to get 21, and then divide by 6. The result is 3.5. Here is how that looks visually. Since every number on the die has an equal chance of appearing, the center of gravity for this data lies right in the middle. The expected value acts like the fulcrum on a balance scale, balancing the probabilities perfectly at 3.5. This isn't just for games. Insurance companies use this every day. Imagine a policy where there is a 99% chance a customer pays a $1,000 premium and makes no claim, and a 1% chance they get a $50,000 payout. By multiplying these values, the company calculates an expected value of positive $490 per customer. This ensures they stay profitable in the long run. This concept is tied closely to the law of large numbers. This law states that as you perform more and more trials, your actual average result will get closer and closer to the theoretical expected value. In the short term, results can be chaotic, but over time, they converge to the mean. A very common misconception is thinking the expected value is the result you should expect to see. This is often false. For our die roll, the expected value was 3.5, but it is impossible to actually roll a 3.5. The expected value is a statistical average, not necessarily a possible outcome. To summarize, expected value is a weighted average that helps us predict long-term results. It balances outcomes by their probability and is the foundation for decision-making in finance, gaming, and insurance. Remember, to calculate it, just multiply the value by the probability and sum them up. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.